Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So you notice that I haven't done makeup because this is not a makeup tutorial. This is actually me doing my skincare routine with you, in front of you. So this is the updated skincare routine of mine, and I have changed my entire skincare routine. That has worked me currently. So this is my current skincare routine of 2021. So yeah, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so let's start with the skincare routine. I actually haven't done my skincare routine right in front of you since the very longest time. So my skincare routine has been updated, and I've actually started using a lot of new products, and they are actually working good on me. So my skin has been healed recently. As you can see, it's getting better, but how I healed my skin, I will make a separate video on it. So so I've just washed my face, and there's nothing on my face right now. And I have washed using, you won't like, like you will be in shock, because as you know me, I actually don't use DIY. I'm not into DIY something. I just pick up good ready-made products from the store. So I wash my face using this buddy over here. What is this? This is Multani Mitti. Like, okay, so I do use a face wash. But I mostly use this thing over here. I mostly use Multani Mitti 90% of the time. I only use face wash when I do my makeup, and then after I remove my makeup, I use face wash to just remove the excess thing. Just make sure that everything is clear. Other than that, if I'm not wearing makeup at all, I use only Multani Mitti to wash my face. After washing my face with Multani Mitti, and it feels super clean, I just take this L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Genius Water. So I bought this product lately, like way back before, but I never used this product. I don't know why. I was using the Jovi's toner. So a lot of product has been updated. I used to love Jovi's toner, and I still love Jovi's toner. This is the toner I usually use. I used before, but I feel like switching, because it's been a long, like I got bored, like I easily got bored with the product. So I just take Genius water into my palm and just press onto my skin. Like I just press like this. I just press the water, and it gives me instant hydration and glow. After that, I'm using a serum currently right now, which is by Dot and Key. I love Dot and Key products. I started using a lot of Dot and Key products. This is a Dot and Key Zit Zapping Skin Clarifying Face Serum, good for acne prone skin or if you have acne scars. So I use this serum. Okay, similarly, I just take out the serum, and I love Dot and Key serum, yeah. They are amazing. I love all the Dot and Key products. So I just take out, just squeeze the pump, and then I will take only 2 to 3 drops on my palm. Okay. And so I use this a little less because this is expensive. Like this is 975 rupees, if I'm not wrong. I think, yeah, this is 975 rupees. It's way more expensive, but it is a magic product. So I just rub between my palms, and then the way that I apply toner, I just press into my skin just like this. And only the last product I use is the day cream. So you remember me using this moisturizer, my old memory. I use this a lot. Like I have like 4 or 5 tubs of this one. I use this a lot, so it's completely over. And you remember the Pond's moisturizer? I also use this moisturizer a lot, but I replace those two with this Dot and Key day cream. This is packaging. So I started using this since like I think 1 month, and it is amazing. Like, firstly, the smell is amazing, and my skin, like all these products that I've used before, like the L'Oreal moisturizer, the Pond moisturizer, were actually meant for super oily skin. But now I used to feel a little dry, or like little normal to dry skin, so I have replaced all my product, because that product doesn't give me enough moisturization, like enough hydration. So I use only this much cream, and it's good. Like, it works amazing, because I used to feel dry when I use products that are meant to be super oily skin. So what I do, I just take cream, apply it on my palm, and just massage into my skin. I don't just pat into my skin, I actually massage into my skin. I just try to cut down all the unnecessary products and use very less products. So the last product that I use is a lip balm. This is the lip balm that I'm currently using. This is from Blue Heaven. I've shown this lip balm in one of my Nykaa haul. So it's beautiful. And this lip balm is good for dry chapped lips, because it's very thick. And I use a good layer of this lip balm. I finished the another lip balm by the same brand, and it smells like cocoa, chocolate cocoa. Wow, smells amazing. And yep, my skincare routine is all done. I'm very happy after I've done my skincare routine.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
Guys, so I hope you like and enjoy my skincare routine, and don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit like button if you like it, and subscribe for more. And I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.